Food vocabulary 2, countable and uncountable nouns, level beginners A0, A1. This is an easy video. A lettuce, lettuces, lettuces. In American, a lettuce, lettuces, milk, a peanut, peanuts, an onion, onions, orange juice, a pancake, pancakes, a pea, peas, a pizza, pizzas, a crisp, crisps, or in American, chips, a potato, potatoes, in American English, potato, potatoes, rice, salad, a sandwich, sandwiches, sausage, sausages, a fizzy drink, fizzy drinks. In American English, a soda, sodas, spaghetti, in American English, spaghetti, a sweet potato, sweet potatoes, American English, a sweet potato, sweet potatoes, tea, vocabulary, food, nouns, grammar point. Nouns can be countable or uncountable. Grammar point. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are both singular and plural. They use the indefinite article a or an in the singular form. Countable nouns use the adverbs many, a lot of, some, and not many. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are always singular. They do not use the indefinite article a or an. Countable nouns use adverbs much, a lot of, some, and not much. Grammar point summary for countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns use the indefinite article a or an. They can be singular or plural. Countable nouns use adverbs many, a lot of, some, and not many. Uncountable nouns are always singular. Uncountable nouns use adverbs such as a lot of, some, and not much. Useful vocabulary. Buy, buy. Can I have? May I have? Please, please. At the shop, at the store, at home, at home. Useful vocabulary. Small, small. Big, large. Half a kilo, pound. A piece, a piece. Table, table. Useful vocabulary. Plate, plate. This, this. These, these. Jar, jar. Left, left. Fridge, fridge. Cupboard, cabinet. Teapot, teapot. Delicatessen, delicatessen. Seafood, seafood. Follow LibLingo on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Tumblr, YouTube, and on our website www.liblingo.com. You'll find all our videos on our YouTube channel, LibLingo. Thank you for learning with LibLingo.